Hi guys, it's Yianni from Yiannimize and we're back at Santa Pod Raceway. Today, it's me versus Jezza. And we've got the same car. I've got a Lamborghini Urus, full Nero Body Kit with the 24-inch wheels. And he's got a Lamborghini Urus, full Nero Body Kit with the 24-inch wheels. I've got carbon PPF, he's got matte PPF. It's gonna come down to the driver. Let's see what happens.
You big dosser. Get ready. You're gone! Wow!
So I'm standing here with my car. Let me bring in Mr. Jezza. Jezza, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Welcome to Santa Pod Raceway.
Thank you. I'm excited. I'm looking forward to this.
We've both got Uruses.
Yes, I prefer the way yours is looking right now. The carbon fiber wrap looks nice, especially when the sun's out.
The sun's out.
But I'm going to take this.
out.
I'm going to take this to you anyway soon, and we'll do something more fun with it.
It's great. I'm here earning money as well. So I'm always about business. Right. So it's Santa Pod.
Yeah.
Have you ever drag raced your car? Have you ever launched your car before?
No, never.
No. That's a launch. So this is going to come down to reaction time.
Right.
I know you're the man with the skills. I know you're the man with the content. But when you've got a steering wheel in front of you,
Yeah.
and both your feet need to move,
Yeah.
what are you like?
I don't know. It's a lottery. I might be amazing or I might be terrible. We'll see. We'll see.
Okay. Do you think you're going to beat me?
I think I've got a good chance.
Yeah?
I really do. I think. How much petrol you got in there? What's your tank saying?
I don't even know. I don't even care. I'm that confident. Just so you know,
Yeah.
whoever gets away first wins. The other car's not going to catch.
And I know, and what I do know as well is whoever loses has got nowhere to hide. It's literally not the cars, it's the driver. So.
Exactly. Usually in drag races, you've seen many drag races now that if someone gets away or someone's got a quicker car,
Yeah.
it's mono v mono.
There is no excuse. If you lose, you got to just own it and take full responsibility.
That's it. Big chest out, and it is what it is.
Yeah, but I really want to beat you.
So do I. Good luck. Do you know what? We got to get a reaction time in. We got to get a reaction. I actually forgot about this. Ready? Wow, that was slow, mate.
That was, wasn't it? You go by the highest point, don't you?
So look, you're there, yes? That's
Why
16.
am I so bad at that?
Oh, that was slow. Oh my God, that was slow.
That is, I'm not happy with that.
I'm just under 12.
Wait, but do another one, please. I can't accept that.
Are you fussy which way it goes?
No. I still lost.
Mate, give up. You know what? Let's get the race on.
I'm just not happy with that. Do you know what? It's down to technique because you can go start like that or like that. I think I could close the gap a little bit. Yeah, come around so the camera's catching this because I think there's technique in this. Watch, if you do it like that, go on, drop it. See? Same reactions. Now, if I just make this the smallest, right, go.
Winner!
A little bit of contact. I cheated there. Definitely cheated. A little bit of contact. Felt it. Boom. Hi guys, I'm Jeremy Lynch. I'm a content creator. Zero drag race experience. I still need straight after this interview. I've got to get someone to teach me how to do it because you have to do launch control, and I think it's fairly simple if you know how to do it, but I just need someone to show me what to do. I'd say Yianni's got to be the favourite. He's got quite a lot of experience doing this sort of thing. I've got none. This is going to be my first time ever. So I'm kind of here for the fun. Obviously, I want to win, but I don't know how realistic that is considering this is literally my first time doing this. So we'll see how we go.
Yeah, so launch, ESC's off.
Let me do that now. Corsa, traction's off. Yeah.
And that's it. Remember, it doesn't rev up and it doesn't say launch control. It's just like, it's like 2,500. Yeah? Let's go.
Warning. Program activated.
This is going to be interesting. Both the same car, same kit. It's about reaction time, isn't it now?
All systems active.
Let's see the footballer with all his reactions.
real chance on this. Got a real chance. He may have to fight for that win.
Come on.
Launch sequence activated. 3, 2, 1. Engage.
Oh, his reaction time was slow.
Ah, he started.
Oh my God, why is his car quicker than mine?
I think I've got him! I've got him! I've got him! I've done him! Why have I done that? This car's way faster! How did that work?
What the hell happens?
Wait,
What the hell happens?
that wasn't even close.
Why is my car so slow?
How's that happened?
That's strange. What the hell happened?
I'm taking it. But I feel like I didn't deserve it. I feel like the better man lost on that occasion. What happened there?
Your car is miles quicker than mine.
I know, how?
Mate, I beat you off the line. I'm like, I'm gone. I'm like, you can't pass me like I was driving an RSQ8.
That's what I was just saying. Like, your reaction times are better, you were better off the lights. The better man lost.
Let's run again. Oh my God. I'm hoping my car had a little blip. Whoever gets away first wins. The other car's not going to catch. Not going to catch. Oh my God, why is his car quicker than mine?
There is no excuse.
Why is my car so slow?
But all I do know is I've got his number, even with a bad start. Imagine if I have a good start. I'm going to absolutely destroy
him. This is right. Let me focus on this. Let me focus on this.
Bob, how quick's his car?
He just doesn't beat you.
Mate, I beat him off the line and he come past me like I weren't moving.
Battered you. I bet he got a map.
No, I supplied him that car, so I know it ain't got a map on
How
it.
long ago?
More weird this one, though, isn't it?
True.
When you done a better one the first time. Exactly.
What is that what it was? 11 seconds?
Talk to me. Who won?
I won, but he deserved to win.
You won.
Somehow, yeah.
Really? Yeah, you done an 11.6 the first run.
And that was 11.2.
And then you done a 12 something.
Just then?
Yeah. Now you done a 12. You done a second slower. Have you turned anything off? Your first run in this was a second quicker. You done 11.7, sorry.
I didn't do anything different.
You done all right.
Got to come and give a bit of
Supercar Nigel's in.
He's got 12 people trying to explain to him how he's managed to lose that. And the only thing I can say is he's carrying a lot more weight. There's a lot more weight in that car. He's upset. He's lost that. You were much quicker.
How much fuel has he got in there?
Could be. How much fuel you got? How much fuel you got?
Just under half.
What? Just under half. What you got?
I got just over half.
Just over. Full tank.
Yeah, full tank.
Go again.
Here's the thing though. This time I expect to have a better start.
You're gonna have a better start.
And it should be even more of a landslide. Because at the moment he can say he pulled away better than me, his reaction times are better,
Yeah.
he deserved to win, and I make him right.
Yeah.
So if I can get a better start than him,
Then you shut him up. That's it.
I'll start a WhatsApp group, I'll put you in it, and we'll just remind him every day of what happened today.
Sound was different because you pulled away quicker than even all.
You pulled away.
That's to me. Once I'm gone,
Then I see him come past you.
I should
We've
win.
got to sell this now. Next.
Oh, this car's gone. If it happens again, car's gone.
Warning, this is not a drill.
Let's go, Jezza. Let's go.
All right, let's get this win. Let's make Yianni fuming. That'll be a lovely, lovely end to this day.
All systems active.
Don't let me down now, baby.
Launch sequence activated. 3, 2, 1. Engage.
Better start. He's got no chance. He's got no chance at all. See you later, Yan.
That's better.
Oh, this is close.
Oh, this is close.
This is really tight. This is really, really tight.
Quicker quicker than me again. His car seems to be slightly quicker.
That is a photo finish. Who won? Mate, who won?
That was a good race.
That was a great race. Who won?
I think you. Right, let's get back quick, yeah?
It was really close. Are we going again? Yeah. Who won? Who won? Who won?
I'm upsetting him. I've got to work.
I beat him.
Yeah.
Come on, man!
Is that why we're going the third time?
Take.
Oh no!
All systems active. Launch sequence activated. 3, 2, 1.
Engage.
He's gonna do me! He's gonna do me! Come on! He's gonna do me!
He's quicker than me. That was good.
I'm better than that. Well, theoretically I'm not, because it is what it is, but it's funny, every time you do one you just feel like you learn from that and you can do better next time. Let him get back in there. He's just better at starting than me. I've got to call it as it is. He's better. He's a better starter. He's more experienced. He deserved to take that one for sure. Well played, brother.
The first one, you killed me. I don't know what happened. Your car was so much quicker than mine.
Yeah, no idea why.
Second time, I think you just had the edge on me.
Yeah.
And I think that time I had the edge on you. But we don't know.
No, you definitely won that last one, but you got off to a better start.
The reaction time's better, but I think his car's quicker. I honestly think his car's quicker than mine.
I think the car's quicker, but this driver's better at the moment. With some training, I reckon I could really give you a problem, you know that?
I enjoyed it though.
Me
It was
too.
fun.
It was good.
Guys, you guys decide at home. Let us know who you think done better on the day. So race one, my reaction time was better than Jezza's. My top speed was really poor, 107 miles an hour, and he got 118. Quarter mile time, I'm over 12 seconds, he was under 12 seconds. And the finish time, 13 versus 12.4. Disappointing, my car seemed real slow. Race two, again, an incredible reaction time from me. Jezza's, to be fair, wasn't bad. Top speeds, very similar. Quarter mile time, 11.5, his was 11.3. Finish time, we were there or thereabouts. But what I was pleased about this time, I had a much better top speed and the quarter mile time was much faster. Now, we head into race three. Again, reaction time, totally on point. Top speed, again, similar to race two. Quarter mile time, pretty much bang on to race two, but the finish time made all the difference. 11.76 versus his 11.81, and that was the quickest finish time out of all the three races. So the summary is, I got a better reaction time. He seems to have a quicker car than mine, except in race three, when my car decided to turn up. And here's a fun fact, in race two and race three, Jezza seemed to get the same top speed and finish time, even though his reaction times were slightly different. Weird. Is that fair?
I think it's a clear winner. Driver-wise, this man, for some reason, I had an advantage. I think, well, they reckon that the weight might have made a slight difference, but I don't know. Like, it's not much. especially with these sort of powerful cars.
Yeah.
But you're trying to look at for the tiniest little advantage. Why was that car? The first one was weird.
Your car, miles a second slower. But listen, it was great. I enjoyed it.
I got cocky though. You know the second one, because the first one it was so much faster. The second one, I was closer to you on the start, and I was saying in the car, yeah, see you later, Yianni. Thanks for coming. But then your car was somehow faster the second time round. But yeah, mate, it was so fun, so good. It's addictive as well.
It's mad addictive. And when you've got these sort of cars, you can run them and run them and run them and run them. So, Jezza, it's always a pleasure.
Always.
Until the next one.
We've got to do another one.
It's on.